Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Lucid Trading account to Tradovate. First, get your Lucid Trading credentials. Most Lucid Trading accounts use Rhythmic for execution, so make sure you have your username, password, and system name, such as Rhythmic Paper or Rhythmic Life. These details are provided by Lucid or your broker. Next, open Tradovate by launching the app or the web platform and log in with your account. After that, go to Account Settings by clicking on Settings, then Accounts, and select Add Account. This is where you'll link your external execution account. In Tradovate, choose Rhythmic as the broker type because Lucid accounts use Rhythmic technology for execution. Now, enter your Lucid credentials by filling in your username, password, and system type, either paper or live. After entering the details, click Connect or Submit. Finally, verify the connection. Once the status shows connected, you can place trades via the Tradovate platform, access charts and the DOM, and monitor your positions and P&L. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.